Alright guys, day one with the Tesla. Here it is. This is a brand new 2023 Model Y Performance. So this is just got it yesterday, so this is my first day with it. And of course, gotta have floor mats. This is always the first mod. I mean, it's not even a mod. It's a must-have for pretty much any car you're gonna get. So we got some Taptes floor mats, all weather floor mats. So put that on. So you see, the stock only comes with these, and of course it's gonna get dirty. I mean, this is just from yesterday night, so these make it way easier to clean. So we're gonna put that on, see how it is. Here's the back. You can see I already had some passengers. But yeah, these are not gonna hold up, especially if you're gonna rain and mud and everything. So let's open this up. Okay, so here it is laid out. So it comes with the front mat and the little trunk in the back under the trunk and the big one for the back. So it's a set that covers pretty much everything, and this is a little different than the ones that I'm used to. I usually get the rubber ones, but these are, zoom in if you can tell, like a plasticky material, way easier to clean than the rubber ones. The rubber ones I have on this CRV, you can tell the stain from when even after you clean, unless you wash it. So these are way easier to clean too, so I'm excited about this. All right, let's throw it on the car. So with my cars, I always just install these right on top of this. I'll keep that original mat there and just put this on top. Let's see. So this covers that dead pedal area also. All right. Well, have it fit so far. Covers all this area too. It's almost like a lip all around it, so even if you got a little bit of water, you're gonna be fine. Loving the fit so far. All right, just threw the back ones back here. This lip on this side is huge, massive, that goes all the way around. So all right, so let's get the trunk and the front done. Alright, so this is a new cover thing that comes with the Model Ys. I haven't figured out how to mess with this yet. Supposed to be able to fold it and everything, but here's the area that we have, and this is the trunk under the trunk. Is this side, this way? Yeah. Alright, so that's covered. And you got the one for here. So there's the top one. Still needs to be pressed down, but it'll be okay. Alright, and we just got the front left. Here, let me show you the difference I'm talking about. This is more of that rubbery feel, like it's more flexible. This is what usually like your weather techs and all of those are. And this one, as you can tell, it's more of a plasticky material. So even if you step on it and everything, you can wipe it away and it'll stay like this, unlike the other types. So we'll throw these on. And here we are at the front. Honestly, this front probably doesn't even need one. It's already a plastic material anyway. But I guess this will make it easier to clean. Alright, so fully covered. Okay, so of course I'll put the link in the description if you're interested in purchasing. This is the brand Taptes, so it's got some good reviews too, so I'm excited. If you have any questions, post it in the comment, and there's gonna be more stuff coming for the Tesla, so excited about it. And we'll see you guys next time.